1. Create something online. Start a channel. Build a page. Make a brand. Because when you create online instead of scroll online, you stop wasting the internet and start using it. 2. Try a combat sport. Boxing, kickboxing. It teaches discipline, control, and confidence under pressure. Because once you learn to stay calm in chaos, life feels different. 3. Play strategy game, chess, puzzles, competitive strategy. Because the right games can train your brain to think ahead instead of reacting emotionally. 4. Record yourself speaking. Most people never hear themselves. That is why they never improve. Record yourself talking. Watch it back. Study your voice. Study your posture. Because awareness creates confidence. 5. Improve your communication. Learn to speak clearly. Listen deeply. Express yourself better. Because people respond to the way you speak before they respond to what you say. 6. Learn high-value skills, coding, AI, sales. Because valuable skills can change your income and your future. 7. Start walking. No phone. No noise, just movement. Because sometimes your best ideas come when your mind finally gets silence. 8. Study persuasion. Learn psychology, human behavior, decision-making. Because if you understand people, you become harder to ignore. 9. Learn to communicate better. Communication is a life skill, not just talking, but knowing when to speak, and how to connect. Because opportunities often come through conversation. 10. Train your body. Train consistently. Lift, run, move. Because discipline in the body creates discipline in life. 11. Write your daily goals. Write down what matters, what needs to be done, what must improve. Because written goals turn thoughts into action. 12. Content creation. Creating content forces growth. It teaches confidence, clarity, creativity, discipline, and it can become more than a hobby. It can become a future. 30. Learn how to listen. Most people only wait to talk. Few people truly listen. Listening builds respect, connection, trust. And these 3 things can change your life. 14. Learn a new language. New language expands your brain. It improves memory, focus, mental flexibility. And it teaches you that growth is always possible. 15. Learn an instrument. Music trains patience. It trains focus. And it gives your mind something beautiful to build. You don't need to pick all these 15 hobbies. Pick 2 or 3 and stay consistent. Your life will not change by watching, it will change by doing.